Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to voice message in Telegram, and now let's dive right in. Now to voice message someone in Telegram, first open up a Telegram app and open the chat box of the person whom you want to send a voice message. And after opening the chat box, guys, at the bottom right corner of the screen you can see there is a mic icon available for us just beside the attachment icon on the message bar or the message typing bar over here. You can see there is the mic icon over here, and let's tap on while using the app to allow the permission to record the voice message. Now in order to proceed, tap on the mic icon just beside the attachment icon on this message bar, and here it says hold to record audio or tap to switch to video. Now in order to record your message, let's tap and hold on it, and the moment this happens, guys, the Telegram will start to record your voice message. And you can see at the left side the time of recording the message is currently proceeding. Now with that being done, guys, after recording the voice message, let go of that mic icon and you can see, guys, the voice message was recorded. And let's do that again for the demo. And again you can see, guys, the moment we tap and hold on it, the voice message is being recorded, and you can just slide it up in order to lock it, so we don't have to tap and hold on it until we have finished our recording the voice message. And after you have finished recording your voice message, tap on the airplane icon at the right side and you can see, guys, the voice message was sent. And with that being done, guys, this is how to voice message in Telegram, or this is how to send a voice message in Telegram. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.